Good morning, inflatable fans. Following on from the video where I asked the question, what would it be like if one of these lost all its air if you had a catastrophic air collapse with it only being one chamber? Today is testing day. Let's find out what happens. We've got oldest friend on the camera. We've got the chest camera on as well, just to see what the action's like from within the boat. Let's do this.
And we've got lifeguard Nita.
Lifeguard Nita. Hello. So I'm just going to head out a little bit, not going far from the bank, because seriously, we are going to have a noisy observer for this one. Right, let's see what happens. Oh God, here we go. Will the floor chamber be enough to keep this boat afloat? So all the air's going out. It is weird. I'm sat right in the back of the floor chamber. It's really squidgy. Oh God, it does look like I'm going to go in. So far, I have moved forward in the boat, as you'll be able to see, just so that I'm sat more on the chamber. In fact, if I move even further forward, so that I'm more central on the floor chamber, that actually might... Oh, I've got my leg over the bloody paddle. Oh, I'm definitely going in now. Definitely going in. Definitely going in. So I think it's fair to say the floor chamber, I think it'll keep you afloat.
Yep. It'll allow you to get back to shore.
It'll allow you to get back to shore, yeah. I mean, this is still losing air even now. Bearing in mind, I don't have the fin in this either. Mind you, not that that's going to make any difference at the moment. And I think this air chamber, we didn't fully inflate this either, did we?
No.
Because we wanted to, because there's hot weather, so it's not fully inflated. It's still losing air. I am going further and further under. But it is still movable. And there is a lot of weed getting caught around my legs, but it's still movable. I think what's happened here, quite fortuitously, is quite a lot of air has got trapped at the front, and because my legs are over the sides, it's kind of kept a bit of an air chamber at the front where it's going to struggle to escape. Oh, I'm really caught in the weed here. But I can feel myself going further and further down.
Lifeguard Nita wants to know you're okay.
I'm okay, Nita. I'm not drowning yet. I think we'll just go to this kind of wall here and see. Oh, it's losing more air.
Yeah.
It's not quite as hideous as I kind of anticipated.
No. It does look like a really rad motorbike.
The big question here, of course, is how am I going to get out?
Well, you can stand on there, so...
It's just, I've got no boat to stand on.
No.
Oh, bit of shallow ground here, so that's not so bad. Right, okay, so let me just push back off a little bit, and let's just wait here for a minute or two and see if this gets any worse.
I think we might have to do the take two on this with her yapping and squealing.
Might have to do that.
Take two.
Let's just chuck that one on so that I've got a lifeline. Oh, oh, I nearly went backwards then. You do have to kind of ride this centre floor, please.
Yeah.
A bit like a horse.
No.
It would be interesting to see what would happen with the Brent, with it only having a board rather than a long floor piece.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think for the purposes of this test,
Enough.
I kind of have a better idea of what to expect should the worst happen. All right, let's get out. This could be the fun bit. Have you left it running? Yeah.
Yeah, because she's starting to do me tits in now, and her noise is going to get people down here. Wondering what the hell's going on with it.
Throttling a dog.
Yeah. The swamp thing emerges.
Oh, look at literally the swamp thing.
Yeah, that's why I said it.
Oh God almighty. Covered in weed. So that's not even fully inflated. So that floor piece, it will keep you afloat. Good to know. What do you think of this? Have you got a GoPlus? Are you glad to know that at least it'll keep you afloat if you lost the air in the main chamber? You know what to do if you like these type of videos. Sorry, the cameraman's going AWOL. And if you like what I'm doing on the channel, hit subscribe, smash the bell, all that kind of stuff. Thanks so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. Yeah, never had to get a boat out of the water this way before. Oh. And it's full of water. I'll tip that before we take it back.